Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL300 exam series. I'm your host, Appa Consultant, bringing you episode 20 on this ongoing practice set that we are solving as part of this series. So today's topic is Power Query M functions in Power BI Desktop. So those of you who are not following this series, you can see the link pop up right here where you can watch the playlist wherein all the 19 episodes are already uploaded. I will also post that link in the description as for your easiness. So yeah, that being said, let's jump and see today's question 20. So it says, in Power Query, which of the following M functions can be used to create a custom column that extracts the year from a date in the purchase date column? Option 1 is date.year purchase date, datetime.year purchase date, year.from purchase date, and text.year purchase date. So you can think what is the solution to this question. I'm going to pause the video here for 10 seconds. Your time starts now. So yeah, time's up. Let's see what is the solution. So it's option A, date.year purchase date. So basically you can extract an year from a date column where the column name is purchase date here using this M function. I will also demo it to you in Power BI desktop. But yeah, it's quite easy to extract year and perform your analysis on year basis. So yeah, let's look at the explanation. So basically this slide talks about why option B is incorrect, why option A is correct. You can go through this explanation and improve your understanding on this topic. The next slide talks about why other options like year.from and text.year is incorrect. Obviously text.year is performing a text operation on a date column, so you cannot convert the date from date time to text, so hence it is obviously incorrect. So yeah, you can go through this explanation, pause the video here, and it will definitely improve your understanding on this M function. So yeah, that covers the explanation part. Let's look at the resources used for this question. So yeah, as again, I am following this course on Udemy called Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst, and this topic comes under prepared data under Microsoft Learn website. So yeah, that covers today's topic. Let's now jump to the Power BI report and see this M function in action. So yeah, I have this Power BI opened up where I have loaded a table called employee, which has the columns like employee ID, first name, last name, gender, age, etc. And there is a column of date called hire date, right? So what I want to do is perform some operations by extracting an year, right? So what you need to do is you need to go to transform data. Right. So here you can see transform data is opened up. Now the ask here is, add a custom column and extract year from the date function. So what you can do, you can click on, let's say, view, not view. I want to go to that column. So we have an option of choose column here. You can go to column, right, and you can search higher date in. So this is used in case you have more than 10 columns, 12 columns, 15 columns, right? So you don't want to drag all the way to the right. You can just use this feature higher and searched here, right, in choose column. So yeah, so I have this column higher date. I want to create a custom column. For that you need to go to add column. There is an option of custom column, click on it and name your column, let's say higher year. And now in this formula you can type the M functions. Basically this is called Power Query M function. You are in the Power Query editor. Now use the function called date dot year, right? It is automatically giving us which all functions are available. So I want to extract year from a date column, and now give the column name, which is higher date, close the bracket. It shows no syntax errors and click OK. So what has it has now done is extracted year from the date column. We now have the data for all of the years in this for this employee data set. Now let's go back, click and close and apply. And again, you can create basic visual. Let's say I want to look at let's say employees year. Let's first put year here, higher year, and now let's see attrition. Not attrition, maybe department. Nope. Higher year. I want to look at something which can be visualized. Education, attrition. Attrition is yes or no. Department is no. Employee ID maybe count something. I don't know. It's not visualizing, but yeah, you get the idea. So basically, let's say years at company. I have this, let's say year since last promotion. Yeah. So now I'm using this field called sum of years since last promotion. Now you can easily see that in 2012 you have got 1083 promotions. So yeah, that is how you can visualize with the help of these M functions. Hope you like this content and make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you on to the next one. Thank you for watching.